Kirim makanan dulu nih. Halo brother, good morning. Good.
Okay, I paid cash.
Do you have 50? Bro?
Hey.
50?
Um,
Do you have 50?
no, you just keep it.
Really?
You keep it. Yeah, boss.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. Thank you, bro. Belanja 232. Kasih 300, bro.